curious question. Have you ever tried to understand someone without using words?
Yes.
Yes.
Today, we will do a fun activity that tests your listening skills and teamwork. This game is called Barnyard Match. Familiar ba kayo sa Barnyard Match?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Kung ganon is, I need 4 volunteer para gawin dito sa harapan. Ipakita sa inyong mga classmates. So, now may ibibigay akong, ay tatlo, 3. 3 by 3. Each of you is may ibibigay akong sounds ng animals and ang gagawin nyo dito is hahanapin nyo yung ka-sound nyo.
Yes, teacher.
Close your eyes.
Yes, teacher.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Go!
Yaw lang ni saya teacher nagpanin nga quit. Ay bangunan yun ni pa ni Prismel. Prismel agkit.
Oh, nakabak.
Kita ka na ka. Ay nakabiti for.
Nahada kami kinagban nyo.
Bisa yang buti pa sila.
Ngayon is, lahat na kayo maglalaro. Bibigyan ko kayo ng, yes, bibigyan ko kayo ng sounds and hahanapin nyo ulit yung mga kagroup nyo.
Malin na sa iyo. Ikabil mo sa natin tayo. Handa.
Line lang.
Minsan mo ka naman.
Lagi na agkunar tamayila na. Uray.
Snake, lion, bear, your rooster.
Agkidam ka. Kan. Ikaw din.
Ikaw partner na.
Okay, ready? Go!
you?
What helped you find your group?
Sound.
What else? What? Wait lang, Mark.
Hearing.
Sige. What else?
Listening.
And hearing. Yes, presence of mind also. Thank you, class.
Teacher, apa ya,